What's up, guys? This is aka Chris. I'm here at Russo's. It's like a pizza place. So far, I've just been eating bread and stuff. I got my Sprites here. I'm waiting for the pizza. To come out. It should be out in a little bit. So I'm just gonna set the camera up right over here so you can see the pizza.
I don't like that because I think one day you're gonna forget it.
Why would I forget it?
Who's lost more stuff over the past year?
Not me.
You.
I would never do the phone, dude.
You lost your wallet the one time, so they kept reminding you to not put it in your pocket. Remember, and you didn't remember, and you put it there and fell.
The only reason I lost it was not because I placed it somewhere. It actually fell out of my pocket.
But I had already reminded you that stuff fell out of that pocket.
No.
Yes.
No.
I always told you, Jared, remember to not put it in that pocket because it falls out. And you're like, no. And then you forgot and you put it in there and fell out.
Look at they made a pizza.
It's a mini pizza. A mini pizza. This is like this place reminds me kind of Maggiano's.
Yeah.
It has like that metallic feel. Yeah, look, Frank Sinatra's up there.
Yeah.
With the one Cat Daddy used. I can't believe I just forgot his name. I can't believe it.
Cat Daddy?
The Sammy Davis Jr. guy. Yeah. Seems like everybody likes Frank Sinatra. I don't think
She's like, what do you want for toppings? I'm like, pepperoni, you like spinach? I'm not sure.
I don't think
pepperoni,
I don't think I've really met anyone that doesn't like Frank Sinatra.
Frank Sinatra is awesome, that's why.
He does. It's like his voice is...
He's awesome, he's like...
His voice is very nice.
Soothing.
I don't think I've ever met a person that was like, oh, I don't like him. You know what I mean?
Have you ever met a hater? Haters hate everyone. Doesn't matter if it's Frank Sinatra.
I have not even met a hater that doesn't like Frank Sinatra.
On every YouTube video, it doesn't matter how good it is, there's always a boo.
I could have swore the other day I was watching something and I had a lot of hits and nobody said they
No
disliked
boos?
it. Yeah.
Very often that doesn't happen.
I was like, oh, this is a really good video, and I think I liked it too. I can't remember what I was watching, is what's messed up. I was like, everybody likes this video.
Everybody likes this crap.
I can't remember what it was.
I'm already full.
That's what I said.
We're gonna have to leave. Can you take that pizza back?
I really wonder what would happen if somebody did that. You'd probably be banned. Oh, dude, we did that one time. At, it wasn't on purpose. At Papado's, remember?
I did that.
Yeah, didn't we eat some bread too?
Dude, we ate everything and we got a gift card and they gave us double food and we got a gift card.
No, I'm talking at Papado's, remember? And we left and went to Chili's. We sat down and the guy was acting all stupid because they're about to close.
Papado's.
The one by our house. You don't remember? We went in there. I don't remember if we ate bread, but we sat down and then we ordered and then we left. One day after work.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we went in
That
there.
guy, he was pissing me off. He was like, oh, you want this? Okay, you want that? And he was just writing it on there. I'm like, because we were there a little bit late. And we're like, dude, let's just go to Chili's.
He was mean.
I mean, we went to Chili's. We spent a little bit more, but we spent around the same or less. But it was like, dude, that guy was being dumb.
It was a cheesecake night. Like, we just went to get cheesecake and a shot.
But then we ended up getting other stuff, right?
You did?
What did I get?
You ordered like a sizzling platter. And
Oh,
all
yeah,
this
like, like, oh, crap.
I'm like, okay, let's just go get a cheesecake and a shot. Cause I never officially had a shot. And you're like, okay, we're just going to get you that. And then we went in there and you ordered like 10
Dude, look at all these napkins. Put them in there. You made a huge mess, for real, man. No, you did that.
You did that.
Look at this ugly mess.
Remember you said that to that lady that gave us a free moisturizer? What did you say to her? Something to heck.
Who?
At the mall when she gave me the free moisturizer.
Who?
In Macy's.
Today?
Yes, she gave me the free moisturizer.
Today?
She's like, something to heck. And she started
Oh, she's like, oh, you can do this. I was like, you can do that in hell. Or something like that. She was like, I was recording her. I was recording the whole time.
I thought it was so funny how she started out.
She's kind of cute.
She was really nice.
I was recording. She was getting all shy. I think she knew I was recording her.
I think she just thought it was funny, like what we were doing.
And then I recorded that girl's like, ding. And I was like, run away, run away. And she's like, she started coming and then she started laughing because I was like, ding. And I was like, oh, run away, run away. Because I was staring at her while I was recording.
Lasagna looks bad.
Lasagna looks bad. Lasagna looks bad. I was recording.
Lasagna. Why do I love lasagna and I never get it? It's so
you're
stupid.
a retard.
Every place I go, I forget to order it. No, you know why? Because I always get disappointed. Every place I've gone in like the past year, when I finally decide to get lasagna, they always are out of it. Remember at Macaroni Grill? I was like, lasagna. And he's like, oh, actually, we're out of it. And I was like, really?
But remember at that Doe's place, the Mexican Doe's? What was it called? Mexican Doe's. What was it called? What was it called? The place where I got all that free food and free thing because I was acting bad.
Papacitos.
Yeah. Papacitos. I was like, dude, it's hot in here.
You were mad.
Changing and I was like, dude, it was nasty, dude. Okay, look, it was. If I told someone this without telling them everything else that happened,
I love macaroni.
I would say I went to a restaurant. It was hot, and then when I told them they turned the fan on, when I got my food, they didn't ask me if I wanted. Medium well, rare, or well done.
That worked out for a good experience because it was.
Thank you.
Thank you. We went to Papa's Burgers and it was amazing.
That looked good.
Papa's Burgers was awesome. Remember?
Papa's Burgers.
Yes.
See, look, I'm getting a little piece and eating it.
You got the smallest piece ever.
Yeah.
Papa's Burgers was so amazing.
Thank you.
You don't remember Papa's Burgers?
Can I get another plate? It's because it has something. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry about that. What? It had a little thing on it. we're just talking about that. But no, this is good.
But remember, Papa's Burgers was so good. You said I said burger.
Papacitos was good. Thank you. Oh, look, we got cheese and other stuff. You want some cheese on there?
No.
No, I'm just putting it on mine.
Fresh.
Freshity fresh. Can I record you eating?
Yours did.
Just a little bit. I always record myself eating. Thank you.
It's super fresh.
See how we get paid to eat? People look at this and they see all my ads from Google. And then we get basically paid to eat, I guess. If you want to call it that, and get really fat as hell.
This is so fresh.
Get really fat. It's really fresh, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Wasn't it good idea to put spinach and mushrooms?
Mm-hmm.
We made like the best pizza ever. Dude, this is so good.
The fused toppings, it's the best.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. I was like, dude, this is going to be a really good mixture of toppings. I'm trying to find somewhere I could place my phone. I'm going to place it on this salt. I'm already 8 minutes in. Can you believe that? I'm already 8 minutes in.
Pizza's so fresh.
So fresh and so clean. Hey.
I need a napkin. Can I do a napkin?
Yeah. This was a good choice of pizza, huh?
I like it.
For like the same price at Margaramo.
Imagine if we have supreme.
No, you don't want to overdo it because then it doesn't cook the bread right. I think we got just the right amount of toppings.
I think so.
I think.
It's it.
I mean, you put too many toppings, the bread stays really doughy. I mean, which is not bad. I like it too, but it's not a bad thing when you try out everything.
It's so good. My little liquid thing is disappearing right now.
my doors are closing. My third eye is closing. And you're like, wait, something feels bad. Something bad is happening. I'm all picky. They probably wouldn't believe someone dressed like me would be that picky, huh? Especially at Papacitos.
No, it doesn't matter.
But I'm dressed like, I usually dress kind of like raggedy or like however. And I'm like, dude, there's something on my plate.
You don't look raggedy, you just look very casual.
someone this casual, they probably think.
Really very cute. Like a cute man. We should take a lot home, do you think? I think I only want to eat like 1 or 2 or 3 pieces.
This was a good idea though, huh? Like, I never eaten here before. This is like the best pizza I've ever had.
Good, good. Freshness.
I have like,
I'm in a food coma already. I'm so happy.
I have like 6 videos today out.
For real? Did you see that girl that have no clothes on?
Yeah.
Dude, I've seen girls dressed worse than that, I'm telling you. There's like 2 girls in there with like no clothes on.
Idiots.
I don't know what they're thinking. Mom said, you know what Mom said?
What?
She said you're trying to get rich, guys. I wanted that piece.
Being hoes.
She said they're in there trying to purposely get like rich dudes to take care of them or something.
Trying to get picked up, huh?
Yeah. My mom said that's like their plan.
Little hoes. Look like little hoes to me.
It doesn't even look attractive.
Looks like they're going swimming. No. Oh, is there a pool in
The
here?
other day, me and Mom were in there. There was a skinny little.
Like, oh, is there a pool in here?
There was a skinny little girl, a little pale girl, and she like had a leather, like underwear, in a tiny, tiny shirt.
Leather underwear?
Yeah, with like socks that came up to here. We were like, wow.
Oh. Showdown for a hold down.
I just hope that nothing bad happens to those girls when they're doing that. You know?
They're never gonna learn, even if it does.
Why do you say that?
They get so used to routinely dressing like that, it becomes routine. It becomes like, oh, I'm gonna wake up and put on one of the only things I have to wear. Nothing. Yeah.
I hope nothing bad happens.
Either because they buy that all the time, or they just don't.
Because there's a lot of perverts anyways, and then when they dress like that, they're like, the guys are like even worse about it, you know?
That's right.
How we doing, folks? How's everything for you?
Really good.
You're very welcome. Great.
I really want to know. I need to just look it up. Who invented the pizza? Because I always thought it was Italians.
I did.
But then somebody said it was Chinese people. I want to know.
Chinese invented shrimp, white rice.
They can't invent shrimp.
They can't. They invented shrimp, white rice, and broccoli. Okay? Italians invented lasagna, pizza, everything cheesy. Invented cheese. Get it right. The French are definitely included in there. The French are included in that category. So get your facts straight.
You're saying anything.
No. Italy.
I'm
Remember?
done. You gonna take the rest home?
Yeah, I can't eat anymore. I had too much bread.
Yeah, this time I didn't eat it.
Oh, I'm so full as hell. You're gonna eat that bread? You're
Want
gonna
me to
save
put it
it,
in
right?
there?
Yeah. Don't throw it away. The bread's good.
this thing right here.
Food coma. So good. So good.
Skateboard dude.
I like this place.
Alright, let's get the rest to go, huh?
Yeah.